The code B0020-13 is extremely common in Range Rover models made in 2013 and 2014, and unfortunately the code may also pop up in later model years. The problem is almost always with a tiny airbag connector in the left front seat. In Europe or the USA it's the driver's seat, in the UK it's the front passenger seat. The connector is hidden inside the seat, so you will need to take off the back panel of the seat and replace the connector, which is not much of a DIY job, I would say. But before you pay for this job to be done by a local repair shop, check if your Range Rover is eligible for the recall P037. It covers some of the 2013 and 2014 model year Range Rover models and has no limitations in terms of how many years it works, so the recall will still fix your car for free if the problem is with that connector in the seat. If the vehicle is not covered, you should find someone who has already had experience with this kind of repair, since the seat may be easily damaged if your mechanic doesn't know what they are doing.